Also, forecasters expecting a tropical storm system to rapidly intensify over the record warm Gulf of Mexico this week, eventually to become a hurricane. For now, the National Hurricane Center has dubbed it potential tropical cyclone 9. It could strengthen into Hurricane Helene. Hurricane and tropical storm watches most likely will be issued for the U.S. Gulf Coast in the coming days. Forecasters show a potential landfall in Florida's Big Bend region, but anyone from Florida's Gulf Coast to eastern Louisiana should be on alert this week. The storm would be the fourth hurricane to make landfall in the U.S. this year, following Hurricanes Beryl, Debbie, and Francine.
Now, from the KQ2 Weather Desk, your KQ2 Local Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso, sponsored by East Ridge Car Wash.
Vanessa, I feel like that probably just sounded like a bunch of gibberish to people, but it will have some impacts on us. So why don't you go ahead and tell people what can we expect as these tropical storms make landfall and the hurricanes move through?
Yeah, I mean, we don't have to worry about a major Category 3 hurricane making landfall in the Midwest late week, Courtney. But this time of the year, we get rain chances from these landfalling systems, and that is looking to be the case for us Friday into Saturday. As of right now, we have potential cyclone number 9. It is forecast to become Tropical Storm Helene over the next several hours, and then over the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, this is going to rapidly intensify into a hurricane, then a major Category 3 hurricane over the next 24 to 36 hours, and it is forecast to make landfall somewhere along the Florida Panhandle or the Big Bend of Florida late Thursday into Friday, and then it's just going to bring a lot of rain, wind, even a tornado potential for our friends along the Panhandle into Georgia and the Carolinas and the southeastern part of the United States. Some of that moisture could reach our area by Friday and lasting into Saturday. So that is something we'll be watching and keeping you updated on over the next several days. So for right now, we're just going to be watching number 9, potentially Helene later on today. For us here in Northwest Missouri and Northeast Kansas, we're watching this cold front as it's pushing through Iowa and Nebraska this morning. We'll get a slight chance of rain from it today, but right now we're just dealing with cloudy skies and some patchy fog. Conditions are improving. You can see it on our Corby Place camera overlooking downtown St. Joe. Visibilities have been low in many spots this morning, but the National Weather Service office in Kansas City has told me that they're not going to issue a dense fog advisory because conditions are going to be improving over the next hour, but still do allow for some extra travel time as you're heading out the door. Temperature-wise, it's sweater weather, 50s. A little chilly as you're stepping out. 55 in St. Joe, 53 in Avenue City, 52 in Rockport, currently 54 at KCI. Dew points signifying a very dry air mass in place. So that is why some of that rain you're seeing off to our north and our west is looking to dissipate before it gets here, but still can't rule out the chance, about a 20% chance of rain. Temperatures will go from the 50s this morning into the 60s, 70s as we head into the afternoon, as this cold front will push through here. Not going to have much an effect on our temperatures. High pressure will be building into the region on Wednesday into Thursday, and that's what's going to help keep our weather dry, tranquil, sunny. So we're going to get a short break from the rain chances, but then again, it's going to start picking up again as we head into Friday. Until then, 75 for the high today. Overnight lows will be falling into the 50s tonight with a slight chance of rain, mostly sunny Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll wait and see what Helene does with our rain chances Friday into Saturday, Courtney.
And still